Hey guys, how you doing? So I finally got out to take a trip in the Prius. I am in Western Mass. I came out for my friend's birthday. Happy birthday, Kevin. It was great to see you. Last night I slept in the Walmart parking lot here in Pittsfield, Mass. I've slept here before. It's a great place to sleep. It has a huge parking lot. It has Market 32, which is a great grocery store, and it's open 24 hours. When I planned this trip, I didn't realize it was going to snow. I think I jinxed it because yesterday I took the snow brush out of my car thinking I wouldn't need it. So now I have no way to scrape the windows, but the car's been running all night anyway, so it's not too icy. They predicted 3 to 5 inches, but that's really only a couple inches if that. When it clears up, I will do a little tour of the Prius and show you how I've got it set up. I think what I'll do like a general quick tour, and then I'll make separate videos on each maybe category or system that I've got set up. Some people don't like all the details, some people do. So I live in Massachusetts, and a couple weeks ago my boyfriend and I took a road trip, kind of an impulsive last minute road trip to Florida, and we slept in the Prius 3 nights. So I had a totally different setup for both of us, and it was actually very comfortable, and I tweaked it a little bit more, so eventually we'll get it down to a science. So next time that we set that up for 2 people, I will do a tour video of that, show you how it's a little different. So originally I planned on doing some hiking here in Western Mass, a couple different places, but now the weather's kind of crappy and I didn't really bring a winter jacket or like ice cleats or my yak tracks or anything, so I think I'll have to find something inside to do. Let me show you what it looks like here. So it's still snowing here, it's very messy. I noticed the plows were out about 6:30 this morning. So to give you a little update on my life, I'm still taking care of my dad. Been there a little over 2 years now, going a little bit crazy. So I'm trying to scheme a way that I can share that burden with somebody else in the family. My son might come help, so I'll stay at my dad's 2 weeks and then be off 2 weeks, and he'll stay while I'm gone. So that would be really cool, because then I could go traveling for a couple weeks, or at least just have the time off and do what I want, see my boyfriend more, stuff like that. And hopefully there'll be even some times so I can maybe get 3 weeks off and maybe go out west. We really want to see Arizona and Utah and all those places out there. Both my boyfriend and I have never been basically beyond like New York. I figure we really need at least 3 weeks to get, even just a little taste of it to get there. I also have family out in Arizona, so I want to visit them. I'm trying to not have to have a trash bag in here because it takes up so much room. So I just kind of collect my trash, and whenever I stop to go to the bathroom or anywhere, I just throw it away. So finally the sun is coming out, so I'm going to find a place where I can make the tour video. But first I need to go pee, fill this up with tap water, and throw away a little bit of trash. I tell you, New England is crazy. This morning there was blowing snow, 20 degrees, and this afternoon it's 44 degrees and sunny and beautiful out. So I checked the Allstays app. I was in East Hampton. I checked the Allstays app, and they recommended the Walmart that was a little bit further away over in Hadley. So I will sleep here in Hadley tonight and then go back over to East Hampton tomorrow and check out that wildlife sanctuary. Right now I'm going to go get a couple things in Walmart and explore this town a little bit before bedtime tonight. So I am at the Hadley, Massachusetts Walmart, and I'm just trying to find a place to park. I think this looks good. I have this little level here. Let's see if I put the level in the cup holder. I don't know if you can see it, but this is actually, the little bubble is right in the center. So I am very level right here. And there's the building way over there. They close at 10 o'clock, so in about an hour and 15 minutes they'll be closed. One thing that I heard on YouTube somebody say, if you're sleeping with your car running, to put the emergency brake on, and it helps that little bit of jump that happens when the car turns on. It makes it a little bit less noticeable when you're sleeping. I mean, it's nice that I could sleep anywhere, but knowing that you have permission to be someplace to sleep, you sleep a little bit more easy knowing that the chances of you getting woken up with a knock on the door is a lot less. And you also don't have to really be that stealth. I mean, I'm not going to get out of the car, but I can go back there and brush my teeth and do some things without worrying about covering up my windows. And I don't even need to cover the windows if I don't want to. Last night, I didn't at first because I was at a place where I knew I could sleep. But then I noticed I was getting kind of cold, even though the heat was on. It's just so much, I was losing so much heat through the windows, especially at my feet. So I put the Reflectix up. So I'll probably do that just for that fact, but I probably won't even put up the curtain. Unless maybe just to show you what it looks like. So I have a whole list on my phone of a sequence that I need to do to kind of get ready for the night. The stuff you need to do before you climb in the back. So it's kind of a pain when you get in the back and then you realize you forgot to do something. So I have a little checklist on my phone and my Google Keep app. I'm all about the lists. Good morning. Well, this turned out to be a pretty good place to sleep. It was pretty quiet once it hit about 10 o'clock or so, and I think that's when about everything closed. I don't see any other cars around here. Let me back up and see what's going on. I see some cars up by the building, but that's probably employees. Let's see if we can see any other cars in this parking lot. Some of the snow piles are hiding a lot of it. Slept pretty good yesterday. It was a little chilly. I turned it back up to, I turned the heat up to 68 at some point during the night. Yeah, these cars don't look like there's people sleeping in them. They're kind of close to the building. No, I don't really see any other evidence of anybody sleeping in their car. But that's okay, there was no problem. The temperature in the back said 47 degrees. And this morning the humidity was at 62%, which is pretty high. So I'm gonna open the windows up and try to air it out a little bit. Although it's very cold out, it's only 27 right now. So Walmart is right next to a mall called the Hampshire Mall. And in that mall is a Planet Fitness. But to get to the main entrance to the Planet Fitness, you have to go behind the mall. So you have to go behind JCPenney to get to the entrance. And this Planet Fitness is 24 hours, 7 days a week, according to the app. But the Planet Fitness app sends you the wrong way to get here. So it's in the Hampshire Mall, going behind it, and you'll see the main entrance. This town is actually a great place to sleep. The Walmart was good. It has a lot of stores over there. And then you have this mall, which is actually pretty active. It has like an indoor racetrack and games and stuff like that, and a movie theater. So if you're just trying to kill some time before you go to bed, it's kind of a great place to hang out, and you can walk around. So I'm going to go in here and work out. Probably not going to bother showering because I'm going hiking later. See you soon. Now the humidity is down to 43%. That's better.